Okay, you're looking at the Sensex index, Indian stocks. You can see this line here, a parabolic move, gave you a low here, a low here. It took it out here, but it regained it, and then you had a low here, here, and here, and here. It only just recently broke below this parabolic line. Now, you can argue that, hey, why didn't it peak here in sync with the 90-month cycle? From this low, if we anchor from this low, it's 90 months into low. This potentially could have been a high back here in September of 2023, but it didn't break the parabolic line. So it's time and price. You can't have just time and not price. You need price to confirm what you see in terms of the Gann cycle. So the fact that you didn't break below this parabolic line, there are also some Gann support lines that I would have been watching, and it didn't break them. It just kept going up. So it's only just now that you're breaking the parabolic line. And so maybe this is the start of something interesting. Also, if you look in March, March will be 60 months from the low of March 2020. You have some other cycles here, but I'm really keen on that March cycle, the 60-month cycle, 5 years. 5 years, and maybe this is a low in March of this year, or maybe it continues down into March of 2026. That'll be 18 months down from high. Also, you have a 216-month cycle. So from the high of January of 2008 to January 2026, that's a pretty big cycle. That's 18 years. So, it's not to say that we know with absolute certainty when this thing is going to bottom. The best you can really do is to look and see what cycles are coming up, and if it sells off into them, maybe that's the low. Nothing is ever guaranteed because there's always more cycles. Maybe you missed one. But, if you look at it in terms of time and price, you have a better chance of figuring out when it's actually bottoming for real. And obviously, the more oversold it gets going into the cycles, the better chance you have that it is an important low. And always look for a bounce off an important Gann support or Fibonacci. We're always looking for some sort of reaction to an important Gann line or Fibonacci support line. So that's how it works. If you like this and you want to see more, this is just one chart. We have a complete report with over 20 charts on the Sensex. I think you'll want to see it, especially the square of 9 levels. There's a lot of interesting stuff going on here. So to get that report, what you'd do is you'd register to the website, and then after you've registered, you get a few free reports, and then you might, if you're still interested, you hit the shop button. And today I just published a report on the Sensex. I think you'll definitely want to see that if this is a market that is of interest to you. Good luck in your trading. I hope this has been helpful.